Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best cup heat press machine for sublimation, the GO2CRAFT Auto Seamless Tumbler Heat Press Machine. If you're into creating personalized tumblers, mugs, glasses, or water bottles, this machine promises to take your sublimation game to the next level with its automatic rotation and seamless printing capabilities. The GO2CRAFT Tumbler Heat Press is designed for efficiency and precision. One of its standout features is the ability to create 2 heat transfers in a single press. It automatically rotates 180 degrees for the second transfer, meaning you don't have to fuss with repositioning your tumbler manually. This not only saves time but also helps you achieve seamless designs without visible breaks or overlaps. Heat distribution is crucial in sublimation, and this machine excels with its fast and even heating system. It uses a heating pad that delivers consistent heat across the entire surface, ensuring vibrant and uniform prints. Unlike many manual heat presses, it removes the hassle of adjusting pressure knobs. Instead, it offers full automation, making it perfect for artisans, small business owners, or hobbyists looking to boost productivity without sacrificing quality. The GO2CRAFT heat press machine comes with 4 distinct memory modes tailored to various cup types. Whether you're working with stainless steel tumblers, glass cans, ceramic mugs, or want a customizable mode, you can set your parameters quickly and save them. The digital display makes it easy to adjust temperature and time on the fly, and it even remembers your settings in the event of a power outage, which is a thoughtful touch. Built for durability, the machine features a robust metal body that ensures stability and longevity. It won't warp or distort over time, and the recessed handle makes it easy to move around your workspace. Safety is also a priority, with design elements that protect both the user and your cups. For example, when sublimating mugs with handles, you need to position the handle against the rubber knob to avoid damage, and for smaller tumblers, you can increase pressure for a tighter seal. In terms of compatibility, this machine handles tumblers and mugs ranging from 11 to 30 ounces with diameters between 2.75 and 3.39 inches. It runs on 110 volts and has a power rating of 500 watts, which allows it to heat up quickly and maintain a steady temperature up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. Its size is compact enough for most workspaces, measuring just over 13 inches in length, 7 inches in width, and 14 inches in height. The GO2CRAFT Auto Seamless Tumbler Heat Press Machine isn't just about functionality, it's designed to support your creative journey. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, it offers a combination of simplicity and professional-grade features that help you unlock new possibilities in sublimation printing. If you're looking to enhance your custom cup creations with ease and reliability, this machine is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.